Luscombe Suzuki are proud to present the Suzuki Swift SZ-T, finished in grey metallic, featuring the 1 litre Boosterjet engine, which is known for its reliability and fuel efficiency. So get the 16-inch alloy wheels, give you a close-up there. All the alloys are unblemished, paintwork, bodywork's in great condition. Let's take a look at the features inside the SZT. Steering wheel there, integrated controls for your Bluetooth and audio. Here you've got automatic headlights also. In-car entertainment features this 7-inch colour touchscreen. Now this will provide you with DAB digital radio, as well as being able to stream music from your own mobile device. Bluetooth connectivity featuring voice command, so you can make calls hand-free. You've got your smartphone link for Android and Apple devices. So it has reversing camera. We can see there, wide angle lens with reverse guidelines. You've got your media section. You can also connect your phone to use Google Maps. Climate control underneath with air conditioning, and underneath that you've also got this handy USB charging point and auxiliary point. Like the exterior, the interior condition is great, been very well looked after. The rear of the vehicle seats 3 comfortably. You've got good leg room for rear passengers, as well as plenty of handy storage points. As we move round, you've got the rear tinted privacy glass on 3 sides. Ties in very nicely with the paintwork. Now this particular vehicle has had just 1 owner from new, and before leaving, every vehicle here at Luscombe's gets a service and inspection by our factory trained technicians.